All right, so we're in the home stretch of this whole thing. So we have the last two. So why is the sky blue? Well, the sky is blue because white light hits our atmosphere. And as soon as the white light hits it, it becomes scattered. And blue light has the most energy. So blue light is scattered the easiest, so it gets spread out all over the sky. It's all over the place in the sky. So that's why we see the sky as blue, because blue light has the most energy. It's the easiest one that is scattered. But when the sun sets, the sun will kind of dip below the horizon. So the white light that's traveling that really far distance, it's got a lot now farther to travel. And it's kind of like the when we use the light in the milk. So as it travels, the light is going to begin to scatter. But here's the problem. Blue light becomes too scattered at this point. It gets kicked out in all these different directions. And that light doesn't actually make its way to our eyes. But the light that does make it, that isn't scattered, that's the reds, the oranges, and the yellows. That's why we see sunsets as red, orange, and yellow. They're not really scattered by dust, gas, and dirt. So the red, orange, and yellow, those are the ones that aren't really as scattered. Um, and they're the ones that actually make its way to our eyes. So blue light becomes the most scattered in the beginning, where it has the most amount of energy. That's why the sky is actually blue. But with sunsets, because the light has to travel so far, the blue itself kind of spreads out almost too much, and it be kind of, remember, as the sun is setting, we can no longer see the sun. So a lot of that sunlight, or a lot of that white light, is happening in a place on the earth that is now experiencing daytime. And so the only waves of light that are making its way back to us are just those reds, those oranges, and those yellows. All right, so last but not least, what's one conclusion we know about white light? Well, white light is made up of all the colors of the rainbow. So we learned this when we looked at the prism. So white light is made up of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So Roy G. Biv, but all of those colors make up white light. And this proves that when we kind of proved this idea when we sent the white light through the prism, it was separated out into all of the colors of the rainbow. So remember, you can always pause these videos at any time. Please come to student support. Please reach out to me if any of this stuff is confusing, if you're feeling lost. Really, that's what I'm here for. I'm here to make sure that we're all on the same page and that you have the resources and that you're getting the help you need should you need it. So that's all we have for our study guide.